So now we're going to be making a vodka gimlet using the herbal blend that you were provided with. So first take your shaker, you're going to do 1.5 ounces. Next we're going to be using all natural fresh squeezed lime juice, and you're going to do 1 ounce of that. Next use 1/2 ounce of simple syrup. I made a demerara. You're going to top your shaker off with ice. Screw the lid on tightly so there's no spillage when you're shaking. And then use the built-in double strainer to pour into your coupe glass. And here you have a vodka gimlet. Lastly, garnish with a lime bowl.